Welcome back coders. In this video we will see how to set up a Spring Boot project in Visual Code Studio. If you are a beginner, want to learn Java full stack development, so this is the right video for you. In this video we will see how to set up Spring Boot in Visual Code Studio. By the end of this video, you will have a working Spring Boot application in your system. So let's get started. First of all, to run a Spring Boot project in Visual Code Studio, mainly we want 4 steps. Number 1, you want to install Java environment in your system. To install Java in your system, first, you need to open a Chrome browser and simply search Java. You need to open a Chrome browser and simply search Java. The first website you will get is Java Oracle. Click on that Java Oracle and here you will see a download option for desktop. Click on that button. After that, you will get another option, download Java for desktops. Click on that button. After clicking on this button, you will get automatically downloaded the Java kit in your system. After this downloading Java kit, you want to install this JDK in your system. I already installed JDK in my system. To check whether the Java is installed in your system or not, you want to open first command prompt. Here I am opening the command prompt. In command prompt, you need to simply type Java space -version. This checks whether the Java is installed in your system or not. Here you can see in my system Java is showing version 25.0.2 and the runtime environment is set up in my system. After setting this Java environment, next we want to move to step 2. In step 2, you need to install Visual Code Studio in your system. If you have already installed this Visual Code Studio, you can ignore this part. To install Visual Code Studio in your system, simply search Visual Code Studio in Chrome browser. Open the first website that you got in your system. And here a download option will come with the name download for Windows. Click on this. After clicking on this, you will get automatically downloaded this Visual Code Studio setup. I already have downloaded this Visual Code Studio. If you are new to this Visual Code Studio, I have already done a video how to set up Visual Code Studio for web development. Please watch that video so that you can get an idea how to set up web development in Visual Code Studio. So this is the step 2. Let's move to our step 3. In step 3, you want to download a Java Spring Boot structure project. You can download from the website Spring Initializr. So open the Chrome browser again and search Spring Initializr. I'm opening the website Spring Initializr. The first website that you got is Spring Initializr. Open that website. Here you need to select the project specifications. First, most of the beginners use Maven project, and this Maven project, click on this Maven project and next choose a language that is Java. Next, choose the version here. This takes automatically default version in your system, so leave it is default. And you can give a package name in the here. You can give the package name as you want. Next, keep the packing type as jar and configuration properties. Next, Java version. Keep it default so that it can generate without errors. You can add dependencies here. This is a basic project that we are running in our system. So that I am just using Spring Web. In future projects, if you want many dependencies as you want, you can download many dependencies that you want to download. Next, after creating these specifications in your project initialization, Spring Initializr, next you want to click on generate file. After clicking on generate file, a demo zip file is downloaded here. Now we want to unzip this demo file. I'm opening the file explorer. Here you will see the demo with the name demo 1 folder is downloaded. Here in downloads there is a zip file. We want to extract this file. To extract this file, simply double click on this demo zip file and click on extract all and keep the location as default and click on extract. After clicking on this extract, you will get all the files with the name demo in the downloads only. After extracting this file, we have completed our step 3. Now coming to the step 4. This is the final step 4. Please follow every step carefully so that you don't get any error in your system. In step 4, we need to open the Visual Code Studio. I am opening the Visual Code Studio in my system. It taking little time to open. That's right. Okay, it is opening. So here I am closing the current folder and opening the demo folder that you have downloaded. Now to open the folder in Visual Code Studio, this is the interface you get. Before opening the folder that you have downloaded or extracted all the files in demo folder, you need to install some extension to run this project. First, open your extension symbol. In extension search bar, you need to search Java extension. Java extension. Simply search Java extension. Here you will find an extension pack for Java. It's taking little time. Here you can see the extension pack for Java. You want to install this extension pack for Java. I have already installed this. If you are new to this, you want to install. Next, you want to install Spring Boot extension. Simply search Spring. Here you will find the Spring Boot extension pack. Install this pack also. Install two packages here. After installing these two applications in extension bar, you need to simply open the folder that you have extracted, that is demo folder. To open the folder, simply click on the open and select the folder that you want to open. Here we want to open demo folder. I am selecting this and select the folder. After clicking on the select folder, all the files will be open in the Visual Code Studio. This is the structure of the Spring Boot project. Next, click on the trust. Yes, I trust. Next, here you can see the SRC folder. In SRC folder, you will find main. In main, you will find Java. And this is the main package. Inside this main package, you will find the main Java file. That is demo application.java. Open this file. This is the main method of the Java. Here only our project gets started. So this is the structure of the Spring Boot project. Any packages or any new files, Java files, any APIs you want to create, as many packages inside this main package only. That package will be in the structured way. If you want to clear explanation about this package structure, I already done a video in our channel with the name of Spring Boot project sign up and login page. Please check that video. You will get an idea about the structure. So this way we can set up the Spring Boot application in our system. Let's run this project. To run this project, you simply go to the button run, and here you can select the run without debugging. So all the extensions get executing. Here you can see opening the Java projects. click on the check details. Here you can see that, and here click on the open launch. Here we can select cancel. Here we can see that all the packages and dependencies get preparing and build get started. We want to wait for some time. After setting all the project's specifications, it successfully runs our project. If you are new to our channel, please consider to subscribe our channel, and please do like and subscribe our channel. Please share this video with your friends and family. If you want more videos upon this Spring Boot project, please consider to comment in the comment section. I will do more videos on this Spring Boot, how to create APIs, how to control this project, how to create controllers, how to create services, repositories. All I will explain one by one. Complete setup of the Spring Boot I will explain one by one. We will do many projects in future. If you want to more videos on this Spring Boot application, please consider to comment in the comment section below. You can also check many videos that we have done before. We have done many videos on HTML, CSS and basic projects in our system, that is 3D animations, and we have created 2D solar system, and we have created 3D clock, and we have created many more in our channel. Please consider to watch all the videos in our channel. Here we can see that scanning all the project system, and we have successfully run our project here. You can see the output slowly here. Yes, we can see that here our Spring Boot project is run successfully in our system. So like this, in this way you can run the Spring Boot project in Visual Code Studio. Thank you for watching complete video. Please consider to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.